Today we're looking at an A-level integration question. It reads, given that A is a positive constant and that this integral is true, is equal to log 7, show that A is equal to ln k, where k is a constant to be found. So first of all, I'm going to just quickly write out the integral. So when you're looking at this integral, you need to be thinking, you can't just integrate it as it is, because there's a fraction. It's not in the right form to integrate. So the first thing that we need to do is separate out that fraction into two things that are more integrable. To do that, I'm going to do t over t plus 1 over t. This is how you add fractions, so it's just doing that process in reverse. And of course, we know that t over t, anything over itself, is 1. So it turns the integral into 1 plus 1 over t. Now we need to actually integrate it. What's the integral of 1? That's going to be t, not x, because we are integrating with respect to t. And then what's the integral of 1 over t? That's one of the new second year integrals that you need to know. That's ln t. The limits are a to 2a, like this. Let's sub the limits in. Start with the top limit and then subtract the bottom limit. So 2a plus ln of 2a. If I go back to the question, it tells us a is positive, which means that the natural logarithm here is going to be positive, so we don't need the modulus signs anymore. We're going to minus, let's sub in the bottom limit. So we're going to get a plus logarithm of a. In the same way, you don't need the modulus anymore. If we continue now, 2a minus a is going to give us a. And the logarithm term, we're going to get plus logarithm of 2a minus the logarithm of a. Now, the laws of logarithms tell us that if we subtract two logarithms, it's the same as dividing. So this is going to be the same as natural logarithm of 2a divided by a. That means that this is equal to a plus natural logarithm a divided by a. Cancel, cancel. That gives us just 2 left over. Now going back to the question, the integral is equal to ln 7. So this thing should be equal to ln 7, like this. If we now rearrange, I'm subtracting ln 2 on both sides. Therefore, a is going to be equal to ln. You were using that same logarithm rule again. 7 divided by 2. Going back to the question, show that a equals ln k, where k is a constant to be found. Well, we just did it. A is equal to ln of 7 over 2. So k is 7 over 2. Done. That's worth 4 marks, and I may be biased because I love integration, but I think that's quite a nice one. Well, there you have it, another question done. If you want a bit of extra practice, here are some extra questions for you to have a go at. And as always, don't forget +C.